So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Durvish and you are watching Kid Creations. So today we are going to make pasta, red sauce pasta. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. So the main ingredients are 2 chopped capsicum, 4 finely chopped onions, a secret sauce which recipe I am going to tell you while putting in the pasta. Sliced olives and paprika for garnishing, 2 teaspoon oil, tomato puree of 4 tomatoes, our main ingredient pasta, and 1 teaspoon garlic. So first we will turn on the gas and put our non-stick pan on it. Then we will put our 2 teaspoon olive oil. Wait until it warms up. So now the oil has been warmed up. So now we will put garlic in it. Now we would put onion. Now we would put capsicum. Now we have to wait until the onion caramelizes. So after 2-3 minutes, cover it with its lid and wait until it cooks. So now I think so it's ready. So first we will keep the lid aside and put our tomato puree. Mix it well. So now it's mixed. So now I will put black pepper, salt and red chili as per my taste. You can put it as per your taste. Mix it well. So now let the tomato puree be cooked. In the meanwhile, I will tell you the recipe of my secret sauce. So for the secret sauce, we need rich tomato ketchup, 2 teaspoon, Viva mayonnaise, 2 teaspoon, Viva pizza pasta sauce, 4 teaspoon, oregano. These are the ingredients which make this our secret sauce. So now let's wait for tomatoes to be cooked. So the tomato is cooked. So now we can put our secret sauce. So now mix the sauce well. So sauce is ready. So now we are ready to put our boiled pasta. I have boiled it before shooting the video. So now let's put it. Mix it well. Now it's properly mixed. So I will just check the salt and spices. It's perfect. So now it's ready to serve. Before serving, it's optional whether you want to put olives or paprika. Some of my family members do not like to eat it, so I would put it on the plates when it's ready. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe my channel and click the like button to like my video. Till then, goodbye.